It's really fun, so I really want to test it out. Seems really cool and interesting, so I just want to see what it's about. So, oh my gosh, picture. All right, let's put that right there. All right, it says you see before yourself a long hallway with stairs at the end. There is nothing in the way. Call warrior walk to walk forward in the player play turn method. So we got the play turn method right there, and it said the cool code goes right there. So it gives you like a little hint where it goes. So we would do put S, put S. We would do the put S method, and then we're calling for warrior dot walk. So warrior dot walk, and then don't forget the explanation because that's actually what calls it. And so yeah, we should get this. All right, see, it's pretty cool and fun actually. All right, here we go. We got basics of HTML5. I haven't done this in a minute, but always good to learn something, right? Open tags look like this, and open closing tags look like that. So it says to pass the test, change your H1 element to say hello world. So it looked like we already did that. So we got to take this out, and that should be complete. We got it. Now let's go to the next challenge. We're gonna do like at least like 4 more challenges. All right, now it says cat photo. So you see, it says H2 for the cat photo, and so here we go. H2 for cat photo. So you add it for the H2 tag, and as you have the H2 tag, just like the H1 but higher, like but it's in detail it would go smaller because say if you H2, H3, H3, and then H4, and so on, it'll get smaller because as it goes down. I'll show you in just a minute. We've got the H5, so H5, and then it stops at H6. So because you wouldn't need that much headers, so you would only need like 6 headers or less. So I would say hey here and in that right here. You would end it with the dash in front of it, and so there you go. That'll be the H3. So we go head on to the next row with the H4. Oops, messed up there. All right, let's go on and do it, and we're gonna say hi there. Do the same thing, H, but a higher number. But don't forget about the number. So we got the number, and we're gonna say hi 4, hi 5, hi 6, and so on. So we got it. We got that. So I'm gonna say hi here. And then we're gonna put closing tags for H5, and then you see it's getting smaller. The smallest is 6, so you'll see that right now. So like we got H6, so H6 is the smallest one, and as you see, header 1, header 2, header 3, it'll get smaller over time as you keep on using it. It'll turn to making them look like more like paragraphs other than actual headers as the H1 is. So you can use the H1 however many times you want, actually, whenever coding, whenever doing your code and stuff. So as you see, it asks for add an H2 tag for cat photo app. So we had that. So we got it. So run the test and we got it complete. All right, now we got 3 more to go, and yeah, here we go. Got the AMA P tag, so Got I'm a P tag. The P tag is pretty much paragraph. So as you see, like the P tag, P element are the preferred element for paragraph text on websites. It's short for paragraph, as I said. So yeah, it's asking us to create a P element below your H2 element and give it the text hello paragraph. So you see the H2 in the second row, H2. So we have it below it. So you got the opening and closing tag for P, for the P element, and there you go. You got the hello paragraph as it asks, and it should be successful. Now we're gonna submit this, and then after this, like we actually got the ipsum. So we learning lorem ipsum so we can put it in paragraph text just for like practice. So it's asking us replace the text inside your P element with the first keywords of this kitty ipsum. So it would go on. So you would like put in what it asked for. It said first few words, not the full sentence. If you would have read, like it's asked for the first few words. You don't put the full thing, so you just put the first few words and you got it. Pretty much in there. So we're gonna run this, and then we got one more test to go. So you see how it all works out. All right. This is the last one. All right. As you see, it says asking for comments. So in order to make a comment, it starts with this and ends with this. So we got the comments in HTML. There's comments in every single language. There is, like even JavaScript and CSS. It's like comments for all of them, but it's different. It's different for each language. So you have to take note of that. Uncomment your H1, H2, and P elements. You remember how they was full? Well, if you look now, they aren't so full. They have no value whatsoever. So, yeah. Say, for example, if I put hi, it'll put hi, print hi over here. Hi. So, and that's the H1, so it would be a header. And if you have never heard of HR like brings a line, actually. It makes a line. It makes it look tight. So say, for example, I put hi again, and then it'll look really nice. See? So, but we're going to delete this. I was just showing some little tutorials or whatever of HTML, of all the attributes and elements that you can use, or etc. So here we go. You see, it says take it out. So comments, in order to comment, you got your start, you got your end, and run the test. We should have it. There we go. And yeah, I'll get back to y'all. Thank you very much. And I'm gonna go.